I don't really like winter, but snowfall is beautiful, especially the first real snowfall of the winter. It's kind of magical, and I wanted to capture this in a portrait. So today I'm shooting a fine art portrait in a snowstorm.
It's cold. My fingers are freezing.
The weather forecast today is a few degrees minus, 25 centimeters snow and heavy winds. They have promised a snowstorm, so I thought I should do a photo shoot outside. Ooh, it's gonna be so cold. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I got my old nightgown on. I got my long johns on, I got wool socks, warm jacket, some gloves. It's going to be cold.
I forgot to set my camera on and record. It's so damn cold. I have to go inside again and maybe try a bit later.
So that was a disaster. It was so freaking cold. And I got leaves all over my hair. Have to dry my camera off. I didn't get that many shots, so let's see how that went. But you have to suffer for art, right? I'm going to put on some tea and warm my hands. I'm going to import the photos from this one. I think I got maybe 10, and I don't know if the focus was right or not because it was so damn cold, so I couldn't move my fingers at the end. And it was so cold, so I forgot to turn on to record the shoot, which was kind of the idea with this. Stupid. Okay, so that didn't go as planned. It was kind of a bust, but I will put my memory card in my computer and let's see what I got. Gotta warm my hands up first. Let's see what I got. Okay, so I think I have to make a new shoot. You see my face? It looks like I'm really suffering. Maybe I can use one or two of them, but it is what it is. Maybe I can make a new shoot tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to join me on my YouTube journey. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Have a great day and keep on creating.